Hey everybody, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. Welcome to my fluid art channel. Today we are making a big balloon blowout. I'm making Christmas presents. This one is for my brother-in-law Gary, not to be confused with Gary the Greyhound. And I'll probably give him a choice of a couple different paintings, but I thought I'd make something fresh so that he could pick. So that's it. Let me get you down. I'm just going to use... What do I got? Bear with me. I'm just finding something to redo this. The colors are gorgeous. Like it's the background. Like this part right here, beautiful. The rest, it's just too busy for me. I mean, if you like cells, that's the painting for you, but not for me, y'all. So I'm just gonna take this and smoosh, 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 and then go smaller and smaller. I used to flip everything over like a pancake, but I found that this works just as well, and it doesn't make bubbles, or not nearly as many bubbles. And that one little line can stay there. I did spin off a bunch of paint, so we're just gonna add just a dollop in the middle. Missed a spot there, and let's go again real quick. So what did I do? It's the usual Cunag, gold, and take off my gloves a second. I'm just making everything messy. Cunag, gold. Was it cobalt first? We'll go with cobalt first. Cerulean. Teal. All right, calling a mulligan, and let's blow this out again. being really specific with that hairdryer work, right? I just wanted it to be more arty. I don't know, that's not the right word, but not traditional looking, I guess. Hold on, I'll grab a palette knife. I just want to take, I'm going to pull some of that out. There. I'm going to soften that up there. There's a whole bunch of paint right here. And hardly any paint right there. I'm moving really slow because I'm watching this, and I know you guys can't see it, but it is starting to collect under the dead center there. And I just like this one much better so far. So I'm going to marry up the fresh paint here. You see that middle is not going to move, but that's okay. I'm watching it. I just like this whole like flame thing I got going on right there. I feel like that is a focal point. Just adding clean white in some areas. That should come off right there. And then over here, cover up the gray. Let's dye it. A whole bunch of gray right here. I told you guys I was invested. Uh-oh, another ambulance on the way to the hospital. Okay. Just stopping to keep an eye on things. I forgot my gloves. Let me stare at this. I know I'm being all like super slow and careful. I think that's just because I'm kind of in love with the composition. And I want to be able to spin and tilt in such a way that I get enough paint off so that this dries nice. And still keep like the main parts. But I'm like loving this. I don't even mind. I mind it in a couple places. Like the gray here is not bothering me. Let me throw on some gloves this time. The middle's looking great. I have to make another. I'm not sure. I gotta ask my sister-in-law if I have to make definitely 2, but possibly 3 of these. So we'll see. I need a spot here. I need to get off stuff at the bottom here. So let me do just like another baby. Do I want to tilt yet? Not yet. Spin. I think there's something stuck there. Hold on. This side right here. Why isn't paint coming off right here? Like it's, oh, there's like a blob. Go away. Whatever you are, go away. I was like, why wasn't the paint moving right there? There was a roadblock. Oh my gosh, you guys. I think this is looking pretty fantastic. I'm just going to test it for thickness. And it's, ooh, it's pretty great. I'll show you in a sec. Let me pop this bubble. So when I stick my little toothpick in it, I'm gonna go like in the middle somewhere so you can see if there's a lot of paint. See how it's, where's that spot? See how it's barely on the tip? That tells me I got enough paint off. I'm gonna tilt this way a little bit and give one final spin just because this part right here I wanted to touch the sides. And then I think I'm gonna call it. I'm glad I went again. All right, one more, got like an inch to go. Let's see, if it doesn't make it, no big deal. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's close enough. Let me stop it. Right here, like those 2 little points. I don't want this to get too much bigger either. Let me put it like this so you can see it. Yeah, that's a winner for me. I like that it's not all celly. Like the other one was just, it was too much. And this is, you know, just quieter around the edges, and the edges are super pretty. So yeah, that one is done. I hope you guys don't mind a couple videos of these. You know, by the time you see them, it'll be after the holidays. And then I'm going to get back to soak staining. But yeah, let me get you down for a close-up of the wet results. All right, I haven't moved this yet. It's still sitting on my spinner. It's nice to look through the camera at the composition, and I think I'm pretty happy. Let me get you down. Like there's no sparkle other than the gold, but there's the center, the dead center. Got a couple little wonky cells. I think that's from tilting. You can tell they want to head off the edge of the canvas, and I didn't let them. There's my inspiration right there at that flame. And I like all the blue and teal mixed in with this smoky gray. Really, really pretty. But for me, it's I feel like it's some sort of pointy flower with sitting on a background of leaves. That's kind of how I see it. So really kind of like that. And gosh, it looks dark. I don't know why. But anyway, stay tuned for the dry results. Hey guys, I'm back with the dried results. And I'm sitting on the other side of the studio eating a sandwich and looked up. And I was like, oh, look at it glow. Oh my goodness. So, so pretty. And I don't think the camera is doing it justice. But I just wanted to show you the glow. Let me get closer so we can look at the bits and bobs. All right, here it is. It dried perfectly, almost perfectly. The cells, the couple wonky cells directly in the middle, I knew I should have like taken some out. They got a little bit wonky, but you know what? They're symmetrically wonky. They make like a little starfish in the middle. So I'm gonna, ignore that because I really like the rest of it very, very much. The colors, the background, I'm digging the background. I like the blue-gray background very, very much. And I love this whole part down here. Really happy with the composition. So, yay! That's a Christmas present for a family member. And got to do another one. Let me flip around and say goodbye.